Hey guys, taking off from Srinagar towards Delhi. Totally crowded flight, but should be there about an hour and 10 minutes.
Yay, we made it!
We just arrived back from Kashmir. We're now in Delhi. We'll see you for dinner tonight later in the hotel. Bye.
Welcome to our room for tonight. Jaypee Vasant Hotel. Here's the bathroom. And here's the closet here with the safety box, and we have a big mirror here, and the bed, and working table there. Let's go eat. Today our dinner today is gonna be McDonald's.
Okay guys, here we are, our last night in Delhi. And tomorrow morning we're leaving for Bangkok. Right now we're in a McDonald's, believe it or not. First time I've been to McDonald's in India. I wanted to try out their sandwiches. They have what's called a grilled butter chicken sandwich. So I'm going to try that. It's impossible to get beef in India, especially at the big major outlets. But they do have chicken. So I'm going to check this out. It looks kind of tasty. God. This is really a good sandwich. It's chicken, and you can taste some kind of butter, and it's also got some spiciness to it. It's got onions on top with a spicy sauce. And wow, this is really good. The second thing I got was a big spicy McWrap chicken. Ooh, this thing is big. Okay, here's the sandwich. It's good. It's got chicken in there. It's got a little lettuce and kind of a creamy like mayonnaise sauce. But excellent too. I'm gonna look forward to this meal. So Ann got the same thing. So we're hoping this is gonna fill us up, and maybe we'll go out for some chai later on. And Ann's gotta do some shopping. We'll see you at the airport tomorrow morning. Okay guys, we're at Delhi International Airport getting ready to fly back to Bangkok. We had a great trip to India, and you know, it seems like we're never here long enough, because we'll definitely be back to see more. There's always more to see in India. It's a huge country with so many interesting places. We were just in Kashmir yesterday, and we're still kind of just reflecting on how great a time we had in Kashmir, how beautiful it is. Anyways, I wanted to just take this time to reflect on two things that might help you if you ever decide to travel to India. We're going to get on another video that's going to be a lot of pointers about traveling in India, because it's very, very important. India isn't the easiest country to travel in, you know, and we'll go over that in our next video. But it's a complicated place. It probably isn't a place for first-time travelers to go to. They should maybe cut their teeth and go on some more user-friendly places like Thailand or Malaysia, and then get used to those places before they go to India, because India is complicated, transportation's tough, sanitary conditions aren't the greatest, and of course you have the language problem with parts of India. But two things I want to talk about right now is, number one, if you do come to India, there's a 20 kilogram ceiling on how much you can bring in per bag per person, right?
For international.
Right, for international. So if you're coming from, let's say, Thailand to India, it's 20 kilograms per person, which is pretty close to international standards. International is usually 23, but it's 20 for India. But this is important to know, because once you get to India, if you want to travel inside India on planes, it goes down to 15 kilos. So the first time we came here on a tour, a lot of people had to pay a lot of overcharges because we travel all over India and we're on planes a lot.
Yeah, when you want to shopping, that's it for you. You can add any more weight in your luggage.
Yeah, so the way you want to do it, come here not with 20, come here with 15, even though it's under the international limit. But and then while you're here, when you're done flying here, then you can top it up to 20 and leave without paying any international charges.
Mm-hmm.
Or, you know, if you want, you can come with 20, but you'll be paying international charges whenever you fly. I'm sorry, you'll be paying a poundage or kilo charges while you're in the country. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's one thing I want to tell you about. Second of all, I want to tell you about how to pack. If you're a YouTuber or someone who loves flying a drone, for instance, keep the drone body in your check-on luggage, but the batteries keep in your carry-on. So these are the things I hope this helps. And these are things that are, you know, in the forefront of my mind right now. We're going to get another video once we get back to Thailand, and it's going to tell you a lot of different points about traveling in India. It's a great country. The culture is phenomenal, but it's not an easy place to travel, and the more you know, the easier your trip will be, and we want to make your trip easy. And we hope you'll subscribe, and we got a lot more traveling ahead, and we look forward to traveling with you.